Hello everybody, welcome to our video tutorials. In this video we show you how to do some basic customization on your EasYview panel to meet your requirements. You already learned about the standard EasYview features and got know the needed PC tools in the previous videos. You can find all the software for EasYview at the Woodward QR code server. See links below. We are going to create a dedicated display page to show some basic engine values. Here for example to show battery voltage, coolant temperature, fuel level, and days until maintenance. Also, we will add a push button to the EasyGen home display that leads to the engine display. What we need to do the modifications is Advice Builder installed on your PC. The EasYview panel, the EasyGen and PC, all devices must be connected via Ethernet. Start Advice Builder. Connect to server. Enter the IP address and port number of the EasYview. For example, type in opc.tcp:/192.168.1.50:4840. Enter root for user. There is no password required. Click OK to connect. When connected, on the left, there shows the file system of the Advice environment. Navigate to the display EG1. It is located at the path, Server, My Server, Displays, Main, Devices. Double-click Home. This display shows the generator values which come by default already. Right-click EG1 and select Add Display. Enter name for the new display. We call it here Engine 1. Now there is a new entry below Home. Double-click to open and edit that new display. Click Add Text icon to place the title. Position the mouse to where the text shall show. Here we enter the title for that display. For example, EasyGen 1, Engine Values. Click the text to highlight the frame. In the attributes on the right side, modify the font size and font color, and finally the position as required. As first engine value here, we add the battery voltage. Click Add Image icon and browse to the picture you want to use for that particular value. Double-click the file and it will be added to the display. Click on the image to resize and move it to the desired position. Let's place a description beside the image. Click Add Text and place the cursor beside the image. Type in the description for that value and press Enter. Here we shorten it a bit and call it battery volt. To modify font and color, click the text to highlight the frame, then select font size and font color in the Attributes section on the right side of the window. If needed, change the position as well. As next we need to place here an object display which shall show the value that the EasYview reads from the EasyGen. Woodward has prepared a pool of reusable items to ease the customization for the user. Navigate to Library, Project, Object Displays, Advice Displays, and select the item, in-out value small. Drag and drop it to the engine display, and position it beside the image. Next, we can briefly check if the required values are already available in the predefined nodes list of the EasYview. Navigate to Objects, VSU, EasyGens, Fast, EasyGen 1, Mirror Disable. In our example, all four values we want to show on the new engine display need to be added to the predefined nodes. Therefore, we must add the needed nodes to the objects prior, linking them with the added object displays on the engine page. Navigate to Data Sources, Advice Connect Modbus TCP. Right-click and select Browse. A new tab opens. Navigate to Advice Connect Modbus TCP, Objects, Topics, EasyGen 1, Fast. Here are all values available what EasyGen number 1 provides through Modbus protocol. Find the appropriate item, for example battery voltage has ID 10110. Right-click and click Copy. Now, this node we must add to the objects. To do so, navigate to the objects list of the appropriate EasyGen on the left. Right-click Mirror Disable, move your pointer to Paste and Mirror, in, Output, and click Node. Enter the name for that node. As this is unformatted value, we add here, raw, at the end and confirm. Now the node 10110 battery voltage is available in the list of nodes on the left. Change to the tab of the new engine display. Click the display object. Navigate to Parameters Base. Click the three dots. In the Object Selector window, We define where this value shall come from. Navigate to Objects on my server, EasYview, EasyGens, Fast, EasyGen 1, Mirror Disable. Select the object, 10,110, battery voltage and click OK. There is some basic formatting and scaling options provided for the read values, which is sufficient in this example. If more advanced formatting or scaling necessary, please watch our advanced customization video for the EasYview series. At number format, enter displayed unit for the value. If applicable, use the post decimal positions and force decimal fraction position for correct format. For the battery voltage, it needs to enter 1 for both. Change to desired font and font size if necessary. Save the changes. Now, to check our current state of the new engine display, first it needs to add a navigation button to change to that newly created display. Open the EasyGen 1 home display. Here we want to place a push button that leads to our engine display. Woodward has built several items what you can reuse for your own modifications. Navigate to Library, Project, Object Displays, Woodward Displays, drag and drop the item button along to the top of the EasyGen 1 home display. Edit the text and the parameters accordingly. We call it just Engine. If needed, enter the desired font size as well. To assign the display change to that button, click the Engine button and right-click. Click Add Simple Dynamic. For Event, select Mouse and click. For Action, select Window and change Display. Click the 3 dots at Address. Click Displays and then navigate to Displays on my server, Main, Devices, EG1. And click Engine 1. Click OK to confirm. Click OK to close the Simple Dynamic Editor. Save the changes. Now our first value is ready to go. Let us now check our new display on the EasYview. Go to EasyGen 1, and now there is the new button, we called Engine. Click that button to change to our new engine display. Here is our first actual value. The battery voltage read from the EasyGen 1. Now, in same manner, following same steps, you can put further images, labels and values to that page. In our example we do same steps for coolant temperature what EasyGen reads through analog input 1. The fuel level which EasyGen reads through Ken, J1939. And the days until maintenance. If necessary, do some final corrections in size, position and alignment of the items. Save the display after your modifications and check on your EasYview panel. Now the engine display for the EasyGen number 1 is ready to go. To see the latest changes on your EasYview, refresh the page by going to another screen and then back again. In same procedure you can now add further engine displays and values also for the other EasyGens in your system. That's all for now. Thanks for watching and make sure to watch the other video tutorials of our Power Management Controls series.